जिन्होंने तमिल देखी है और जो ये फिल्म हमारी देखेंगे उनको पता चलेगा कि क्या डिफरेंस है। बट हमारी तरफ से हमारी कोशिश यही रही कि हमने सिर्फ एसेंस में, आइडिया में तमिल से जो ओरिजिनल से उसका इंस्पिरेशन लिया है, लेकिन अक्षय ने पूरी तरह से कहानी को हिंदी मीडियम के लिए अडेप्ट किया है। काफ़ी सारी चेंजेस इसमें की हैं, काफ़ी सारे मोमेंट्स नए रिक्रिएट किए, नए लिखे हैं। तो इसको हमने एक इंडिविजुअल नए फिल्म की तरह ही ट्रीट किया है। इनफैक्ट अक्षय ने एटलीस्ट 4-5 महीने लगाए यहाँ ये नया स्क्रिप्ट लिखने के लिए, नया स्क्रीन प्ले लिखने के लिए, बिकॉज हम एक चीज़ से काफ़ी क्लियर थे कि जो चीज़ें हमें वो फिल्म में अच्छी लगी हमने वो रिटेन की, और जो हमें लगी कि ये इसमें ऐड होनी चाहिए ताकि कहानी और बेहतर बन सके, तो दोज थिंग्स वर डन। एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चेंजेस दैट वी डिड वाज दैट वी शॉट द फिल्म इन 3D। ये ओरिजिनल 3D में नहीं थे, हमारी फिल्म 3D में।
We did not want to do a frame by frame remake, and I would have never signed up for it, and Bijoy first of all wouldn't have taken the project if that was the case. The only thing I was skeptical about was the remake part of it, but once I got into it, and he was very sweet enough to let me do the changes that we all wanted to do, and the idea was always to make a better film. The benchmark was the Tamil film for us, to be very, very honest, but the idea was always to make it a much better experience, and I think 3D added to it. In terms of sound, we've explored a lot of new things. A bigger challenge which was 3D. So the way you conceive 2D scenes, the way you conceive shots, the way you visualize completely changes with 3D. The way you shoot, the way the actors perform, the way everything is done. The way the edit is done, sound is done, everything is different.
जिस तरह से आप सोचते हैं कि आप ये सीन इस तरह शूट करेंगे, आपको 3D को ध्यान में रख के वो प्लान करना पड़ता है। आप नॉर्मल सीन्स की तरह उसको अप्रोच नहीं कर सकते।
The thing is, in 3D, it's a very immersive medium and it's extremely crystal clear. Everything is sharp. So there's no scope for mistakes. In 2D, you get away with a lot of mistakes that you do on set. In 3D, we can't afford that. Anything you do in terms of art or whatever it is, you'll catch it.
We knew that this film had to be done with newcomers. We've always wanted to work with newcomers for this film. Akshay is someone that, the actor Akshay, is someone that we had worked together on our TV show, MTV Rush. He's an actor I really liked working with. In fact, even for David, I had approached him for a certain role, which he didn't finally end up doing. So when this film came about, he was one of the first choices that we had, that we wanted to kind of approach for the film. And regarding Parvati, I think he tested more than some 50-60 girls before we actually zeroed in on Parvati.
In the test, she actually blew all our minds. She was fantastic. And there's also one angle in the film where she has that sinister, almost like a split personality in the film. So that I kind of sensed the way she looks and the way she behaves. You always keep thinking that she has another side to her. So that was one of the main reasons that I went with her. We've tried breaking that whole conventional scares and the whole system of sleaze, sex and nudity that goes with horror. We did not want that. So it was a very conscious choice to make a true film, not with any added gimmicks.
It's got a nice tonal shift and it becomes, without giving much away, it also has a suspense thriller element to it. I think that really sets it apart. That really puts it, makes it different from all the regular horror films that you see.